don't know.
A good girl, Gia. A good girl. Hey, pup.
Can I have a hose?
No, you're alright.
I need the hose.
No, it's alright. Don't need to be doing anything. I want her to be... No, you don't need it. You've got some water, love.
I need some more.
Not now.
I really need it.
No thanks.
Will advance my swinging funness.
I'm doing something. And you've got water to go and play. Go and play in that water.
I need a little more. I was doing that. I want to make you a tiny one. I want to have it back. This.
You don't like it, do you, Gigi?
She's not having none of it.
No. Hates it.
Squirt with it and I'll teach her.
Squirt you with it and I'll teach you.
Ooh, I
Goodness
wanna be
me.
boiling
No.
hot.
Goodness me.
Squirt me! Please?
Nope, because you don't know where your clothes are to go get them. I'd have to get your new pants, clothes and everything.
I've already got new clothes in my room. My backup clothes. My backup pajamas.
You're in Christmas PJs, you're crazy.
Yeah.
What?
They're like leggings on you, literally like too small for you. Jammers, you've come home from martial arts, put some jammers on that are like leggings and they're Christmas.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So you went to martial arts, like done a load of martial arts, and came home and got undressed. You don't wear clothes even in bed. You don't wear any clothes in bed. You don't wear jammers in bed. But you come home from your activities and you put jammers on every time.
Why? Well, because it's nice and fun.
What's fun about being in jammers, you idiot?
Well, it's my way.
You're swinging that.
It's your way.
You're
It's the
swinging
Saran
that,
way, is
and
it?
you're making a puff for us.
Oh, okay. I'm swinging this, he's swinging that, and you're making a pool.
Never mind.
And now we know that Gia's scared. Hey, scared of the hose for some reason.
How?
Hmm.